Welcome to Health Lantern. Today, we're going to talk about what brain fog is, how it makes you feel, and symptoms for you to be aware of. Let's jump in. Our brains are incredible organs that help us think, learn, and do amazing things. They have billions of tiny cells called neurons that send messages to each other. These messages travel along pathways in our brain, like roads that connect different areas. When these messages flow smoothly, our brains work well. But sometimes, the communication gets disrupted, and that's when brain fog can happen. It's like having a traffic jam in your brain. Imagine driving on a road where all the cars are moving smoothly. You can get to your destination quickly and easily. But when there's a traffic jam, everything slows down, and it takes longer to reach where you want to go. That's what happens in your brain when you experience brain fog. The messages between the neurons get stuck or delayed, making it harder for your brain to function at its best. When brain fog sets in, it can affect different aspects of your cognitive abilities. One common symptom is difficulty concentrating. Your brain finds it challenging to focus on a task because there are distractions all around. It's like trying to pay attention while people are talking loudly in the background or there are lots of things happening at once. Brain fog can make it hard for you to stay on track and complete tasks efficiently. Another symptom is memory problems. Your brain stores information in different areas, like files in a cabinet. But when brain fog descends, it's like the files become disorganized, and it's harder for you to access the information you need. It may feel like the facts and details you once knew are hidden behind a foggy barrier, making it difficult to recall them. This happens because the communication between the hippocampus and other related structures in the temporal lobe responsible for memory retrieval becomes disrupted during brain fog. Brain fog can also make you feel mentally tired and drained. It's as if your brain has been working extra hard, processing information through the fog. Just like our bodies get physically tired after exercising or running around, our brains can feel fatigued too. This mental fatigue can make it challenging to think clearly and make decisions. The neurons in your brain require energy to function optimally, and when brain fog occurs, this energy supply may become less efficient, leading to feelings of mental exhaustion. When brain fog sets in, it can also make you feel confused. You might find it harder to understand things or follow instructions. It's like trying to solve a puzzle, but the pieces don't fit together as easily as they usually do. The left hemisphere of your brain involved in comprehension and reasoning struggles to process information and contributes to confusion during brain fog. Slowed thinking is another common symptom of brain fog. Your thoughts may feel like they're moving through a thick fog, making it harder to process information and come up with responses. It's like trying to run through deep mud instead of on a clear path. This happens because the communication speed between neurons slows down during brain fog, impacting the efficiency of thought processes. It takes longer for signals to travel between different areas of your brain, resulting in a slower mental pace. Now, let's talk about some not-so-common symptoms of brain fog. These are things that some people may experience, but they're not as common. One of these symptoms is difficulty finding words. You might have trouble finding the right words to express yourself, even if you know what you want to say. It's like having a word bank in your brain, but the words don't come to the surface easily when you need them. This can occur because brain fog affects the neural pathways responsible for language retrieval and expression. Some people with brain fog also experience sensitivity to light or sound. Bright lights or loud noises can feel overwhelming and make it harder to concentrate. It's like your brain becomes extra sensitive to sensory input, and the stimuli can become distracting or even painful. This sensitivity occurs due to altered processing of sensory signals in the brain during brain fog, causing an exaggerated response to stimuli that would normally be tolerable. Dizziness or lightheadedness can also be a symptom of brain fog. You may feel off balance or like the world is spinning around you. It can make it challenging to focus and think clearly, as your brain is preoccupied with maintaining balance and orientation. This dizziness can occur because brain fog disrupts the communication between the brain regions responsible for balance and spatial orientation. Brain fog can also disrupt your sleep, leading to sleep disturbances. You may have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, and that can make the brain fog even worse. It becomes a cycle where lack of restful sleep contributes to more foggy thinking. During sleep, your brain undergoes important processes that consolidate memories, restore energy, and clear away toxins. When brain fog disrupts these processes, sleep becomes less restorative, exacerbating the foggy feeling in your mind. Lastly, brain fog can affect your emotions. You might feel more irritable, moody, or even sad. It's like having a cloud hanging over your emotions, making them feel a bit more uncertain or difficult to manage. The fluctuations in neurotransmitter levels and disrupted communication pathways between brain regions responsible for regulating emotions contribute to these emotional changes during brain fog. So, brain fog can make you feel foggy in your mind. It can affect your ability to think clearly, remember things, concentrate, and even control your emotions. But remember, you're not alone, and there are ways to manage and reduce brain fog. Taking breaks, getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and engaging in activities that relax and refresh your mind can help clear away the fog and restore clarity to your thinking. Thanks for joining us today. Click the video on the left to learn the #1 cure for brain fog. If you enjoyed the video today, please hit the like and subscribe. Check out more information in the description and feel free to leave a comment on any other health concerns you would like us to cover. Have a happy day.